Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, today we will learn an interesting thing, which is STEAM of number 0. STEAM means science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. Science. Observe which object in your classroom has the shape like 0 and count them. Technology. Watch the video to understand the concept of 0. Engineering. Use Play-Doh to make number 0 on the sheet. Arts. Draw 0 beads on the abacus and color it in the workbook. Mathematics. Observe the shape of 0. Match it with the shape of an alphabet. I hope you will enjoy this. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.